Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're just going to get straight to it, no intro. BeardTube a few days ago put out a video asking fellow beardy reviewers to kind of talk about what's going on with the bearded struggle. Are they ripping us off? Are they scamming you? I'm just going to post a little clip here about BeardTube's findings and then I'm going to talk about my opinion.
This was on AliExpress for like 15 bucks. So these Chinese guys must have read the beard struggle guys' minds and then put this out way before this came out and then sold it for cheaper because here, it doesn't make sense. I'll read from the website, from the Beard Struggle website. It says, first and foremost, well, that's not how you do foremost, it's F-O-R-E-M-O-S-T. First and foremost, our heated beard brush is custom made for the bearded gentleman by the bearded gentleman. We spent months testing the bristles, the grip, the temperature control, and portability. So the Beard Struggle is saying that this is custom made by a bearded gentleman for a bearded gentleman. So it can't be that they ordered like 1,000 of these and then sold them for 100 bucks, can it?
Welcome back. So, I mean, I understand how capitalism works, and if you're a company that's out to make money, which all companies are, you're gonna buy stuff for cheaper and sell it for more expensive. That's fine. But I think what's happening here is, and this is actually kind of funny because I'm really glad that I copied this clip here with BeardTube's permission, showing how they describe this heat brush. You know, that it's made by bearded gentlemen for bearded gentlemen, and that they've put months and months of research into this product. When really all they've done is gone to Alibaba Express and purchased, 1,000 of these at like probably $5-6 a pop, and then they slapped their logo on it and sold it for $100. Now their website, if we take a look together here, so if we head on over to their website, we can see that they've actually changed, all it says here is that they're sold out now, and if you keep scrolling, they just show you what features they have: this ionic barrier bristle, cordless technology, and temperature control. Nowhere does it say now that this is a product made by a bearded man for a bearded man. So they've completely changed the way that they're marketing this thing now, and I think a lot of that has to do with the beard community speaking out. So really my final take on this is if you're going to be purchasing a product for less and selling it for more, at least try to have the business sense to maybe be exclusive on this product. It's so easy to find things on the internet now. If it's for sale on Alibaba for $15 and it's for sale on Amazon for $40 and you're selling it for $100 and putting your logo on it, people are going to find out and they're going to be upset. They're going to want their money back. And really, I don't recommend that anyone purchases this product from the Bearded Struggle because it is, available for cheaper on Amazon and also on Alibaba. So now, I haven't done much research on this brush myself, but Tyson over at The Faithfully Bearded did do a review on it and said that it's actually a really good brush. It does have some really nice features and it works really well, but not $100 really well, when you can buy it for a lot cheaper. So I know they have a lot of Instagram followers and they spend a lot of money on marketing, but I just, I don't know, man. It just doesn't... after this little debacle here, I don't know if I would ever purchase anything from them. And I'm going to be 100% honest, I actually did sign up for their affiliate program several months ago, with the intent to purchase some products and send out my affiliate code if I do like their products. But I haven't even gotten that far yet, and now after this I definitely won't be. So I just wanted to say thank you to BeardTube for bringing this to our attention. It's really important that we all kind of band together, and if there is opportunity to save money because someone's trying to make a little bit too much extra and making claims that they put all this research into a product when really they didn't. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.